In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new product to a GoDaddy website store. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one site or product. This helps avoid making changes in the wrong place. Next, go to your profile area. This is where GoDaddy organizes your account options and the products connected to your subscription. From there, click on My Products. In this section, you'll be able to see the services and tools attached to your account, including your website. Now, find your website in the list and click on Website. After that, select Manage. This will take you to the management area for your site, where you can access editing and store settings. Once you're there, click Edit Website. This opens the website editor, which is where you can make updates to your pages, design, and online store content. Inside the editor, look for the Website Builder area. This is the workspace where your store tools are available. From here, click on Store and then choose Products. This is the section where all of your store items are managed. If you already have products listed, you'll see them here. If not, this is where you'll begin building your product catalog. At this point, you can add your new product. As you create it, make sure to fill in the important details clearly, such as the product name, description, price, and any other options available in your store setup. The more complete and accurate your product information is, the easier it will be for customers to understand what you're offering. You can also customize everything as needed. For example, you may be able to update product images, categories, variations, or other store-related settings depending on your GoDaddy plan and store features. Try to keep your product photos clean and professional, and write descriptions that are simple and helpful. Before you finish, it's a good idea to review everything carefully. Double-check for spelling, pricing, and image quality so your product page looks polished and trustworthy. When everything looks right, save your changes so the new product is added to your store, and that's it. That's how to add a new product to your GoDaddy website store. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick and easy for future products.